looking at this SaharaGaming case. It's got everything you need. It's got airflow, it's got looks, it's got glass side panels, infinity mirror style fans. What else do you need? The SaharaGaming M808W is a compact micro ATX case designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts. It features a sleek design with four 12cm ARGB fans pre-installed for optimal cooling and visual appeal. A built-in fan hub streamlines airflow and lighting control, facilitating a visually striking and efficient setup. The case arrives in a simple brown box, securely packaged with foam, and includes an accessory box containing a replacement cable, cable tidies, standoff and screws. The case front is glass. It can be removed with a little bit of fiddling about, but in all reality, why would you want to? Because you can't put anything there. The main side is tempered glass and is easily removable via 4 thumb screws. The top, bottom, rear and sides are also perforated to allow air in or out of the case. The top and bottom also come with magnetic dust filters. The I/O panel, which is on top of the case, has 2 USB 3.0 ports and 1 USB 2.0 port. It also has 2 audio ports, LED light controls and a power and reset button. One thing to note, that the USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 are reverse on the website from the manufacturer, so it says you've got 2 USB 2 ports and 1 USB 3, so this may differ depending on the case you buy. The case's interior is a dual chamber design, with space for up to 5 expansion slots, so ideally micro ATX boards, and includes 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans with an infinity mirror design in the centre. The case stands on 4 anti-slip feet, and the bottom also features a magnetic dust filter for easy fan access or cleaning. Inside, the main compartment offers space for effective cable management, although cables connecting to the right-hand side of the motherboard might appear cramped, especially if you're installing a water cooler or fans on that motherboard side. The second compartment is designed for cable management and hides cables effectively, although some cables may lack a neat finish because the ones coming from the I/O panel are black inside a white case, but if you're installing fans or a radiator on that side, you're going to cover them up, so you probably won't see them anyway. The case also features a fan and ARGB controller, which you can hook up to your motherboard if you wish and control through your motherboard software. Otherwise, you can control the lighting effects via the button on the top of the case. For storage, you have a few options for 3.5-inch hard drives and 2.5-inch SSDs, supporting a variety of configurations without compromising on cooling or design. It accommodates high-performance components, supporting a maximum GPU length of 410mm, a CPU cooler height of 160mm, and power supplies up to 240mm. The case has a variety of cooling options. Bear in mind it comes with 4 pre-installed fans, 3 on the bottom, 1 on the rear. It also supports a variety of radiator sizes for liquid cooling, catering for custom water cooling setups as well. You can fit fans on the top, side, rear and bottom of the case. This case is compatible with micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards, offering flexibility for compact yet powerful builds. The case comes with 4 pre-installed fans. The one on the rear is pretty standard, but the 3 on the bottom come with reversed blades, which means that the frame isn't in the way when it's actually sucking air into the case, which would normally be the case on a standard fan. These fans also have infinity mirror centers, so the lighting effect sort of flows inwards, and you've also got RGB lighting around the edges, and the blades light up as well. On top of that, the fans are also interconnected, so they just slide together without having to daisy chain them up with lots of cables. So the basics is all 4 fans will connect using just one PWM header and one ARGB header, which you'd probably have connected to that built-in hub at the back of the case. The fans aren't the quietest on the market in all honesty, but if you've got the machine running at standard levels and standard setup, they're probably barely audible above the rest of the components, but if you do put everything flat out, then obviously they're going to get loud like any other fan. Down to cooling. Well, it's really hard to compare cooling on a case like this because it really depends on how many fans you put in it, where you place them, what speeds, what components, and everything along that line. But from our testing with an i9 processor and a GeForce 3070 graphics card, we didn't have any issue cooling either of them down. So in conclusion, the SaharaGaming M808W merges design with functionality, providing efficient cooling and a striking aesthetic. It supports a range of motherboard sizes, cooling options and high-end components, making it a versatile choice for enthusiasts who value both performance and style. Where can you go and meet hundreds of people just like you? Strengthen existing relationships and forge new ones with vendors and distributors, and meet some of the biggest names in the industry, where you will be able to go and see the newest tech and services that you need to make your IT business grow. And there'll be thousands of pounds worth of prizes up for grabs. And what's more, you get all that for a quid. TechMax 2024 will be on the 21st of June at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. This year's event will incorporate a live tech awards with evening casino entertainment, meeting areas, demo and interactive areas, and 800 other techs just like you. So go get registered now at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.